Okay, I just want to show you a little thing about Python that you may or may not know. I have three interconnected files here. This one is called dialog, this one is called Arthur, this one is called Ford, and it's based on the original Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy radio scripts for those of you who are interested. Anyway, if I show you the code for each of these files, you can see they're pretty brief. The Arthur file has three methods, quip1, quip2, quip3. The Ford file has two methods, quip1 and quip2. And dialog imports Ford and Arthur and does this stuff. So if I were to select the dialog and run that in Python, you'll see I get the what you expect. So Arthur's quip1, followed by Ford's quip1, followed by Arthur's quip2, and so on. So we get a nice little dialogue. Okay, cool. Now, and what you also, I'm sure, know, but let me just show you, is if I run this file, right, Arthur, it's not going to print anything, right, because I just have three functions, three methods that I never call. Same with Ford. If I select Ford and I run Ford, I get nothing, right? And so let's say that I'm in class and I'm trying to work on testing some stuff and I don't want to edit the dialog file because my professor has told me on no account edit this file. One thing I could do if I want to say just test my quip3, let's say, is I could write quip3 right there, right, and hit enter. And now if I run Arthur, so let's select Arthur, and I hit run, then I get just quip3. And that's great, except if, on the other hand, let me just clear the screen so there's no question, there's nothing there. If I run dialog again, when I run dialog, well, let's see what happens. Run. You notice that it starts with this, this is some strange usage of the word, and then it goes back into the dialog code. What's going on here is that Arthur, when I import Arthur, it does what it says to do. So it runs quip3 while it's importing Arthur. And so I get that quote up here and then again when I'm doing it, which is not what I want to do when, say, I'm running my instructor's auto grading file. But what you can do if you want is you can put in some code like this. You can write if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals, and then this quote underscore underscore main underscore underscore and a single quote colon. This is a special Python thing that says if I'm the file that you're running, then do the following, right? So I could write like print hi mom, and then I could run quip2. And if I run Arthur now, it says hi mom and it does quip2, which is good. But if I run dialog, it doesn't do the hi mom and it doesn't do the extra quip2 up at the top. So using this if name equals equals main, or with all the underscores, can be very useful. The code that I probably gave you looks more like this and has all of the, a bunch, it does all the quips just by itself, but you can just tailor this however you want to make your code work. Yeah, so hope that was helpful. If I run dialog now, let's make sure dialog's selected. I get the nice dialog. If I run the Arthur, and I'm going to highlight in both places again and run it, I just get quip1, quip2, quip3. And if I just run Ford, I get, Ford is just doing quip1, so I just get Ford's quip1.